Hey, good morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, July 3rd, and I was going to today. My plan was to go to Garner State Park, which is north of San Antonio, near south of Texas Hill Country. However, my plan is flopped because I called them yesterday evening and they said they're shutting down. The Frio River is not open; it's closed, and this is all because of the COVID-19 cases are significantly rising here in Texas. So, of course, we all want to be safe and sound and sorry. So whatever happens, it always happens for good. But anyway, good morning, and if you are happen to be a very first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and give us a comment. But I'm still riding today. I'm joining the group that I haven't rode with them for a long time. It's a Houston sport touring group, and I used to ride with them a lot. And today, since I have my free day and not doing anything crazy, and it's Friday, I'm off. So yeah, I'm going to join them and ride in a group. So see you all there. Okay guys, so I'm on the highway I-10 going to Bucky's gas station and fill up the gas. As you can see, I have a sign on. It's a low fuel sign, so I better fill it up, and from there I'll just head back to the meetup point. It's in Brookshire, Texas. But weather is 80 Fahrenheit right now. It's about almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, it's muggy, cloudy, humid. It is humid just like crazy. As soon as I stop on the stop sign or the traffic light, I mean, I can feel the heat, I can feel the humidity. So I just need to make sure that I stay hydrated and keep drinking the fluid and stay hydrated. But today's trip, I don't know where we're going. I'm just going, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going with the Houston sport touring group. So hopefully it's a short day ride, half day ride, so we should be back by noon to 1. So it's only about a 3 to 4 hour ride, so it's not bad. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't ride with the group for a while, so yeah, I'm gonna fill it up at the Bucky's right there and hop on the road. Okay, so we're getting ready to hit the road. Everybody is here, so let's hit the road. horses. That's a nice farm right here. Beautiful. So this town we are passing is called the Fayetteville, and it's a beautiful little town. Has a couple good breakfast places around here too, but we're not eating out anywhere here. It's just a quick stop and just to get stretch the body out a little bit. And but this is Fayetteville, yeah. And this plaza has a lot of good breakfast and restaurant and all that places to eat. So yeah, beautiful countryside, nice little town with nice small plaza where you can actually come and eat. We're just gonna stop here for a break, snacks and water. Okay, we're done and we just had a break and we're about to hop back up on the road. Alright guys, so we're gonna end our journey for the day here today. I hope you like this short clip, and if you happen to be first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe, share, give us a like or comment. Until then, ride safe, make sure always wear all the protective gears, and see you next time.